Tanse everyone, and welcome to the Registration 101 workshop on the Faculty of Native Studies. So what happens after you apply? Everyone here has submitted their application and most have already received an admission offer. Congratulations, but there are still a few more important steps to becoming a U of A student. First, you will need to accept your offer of admission and pay your non-refundable tuition deposit before you are able to access the schedule builder and enroll in your courses. You will want to make sure you complete this important step before anything. Now let's talk about understanding your degree and the university. It is different than high school. There are typically 4 terms at the University of Alberta. We have fall that runs from September to December. We have winter, January to April. And then we have spring and summer. For fall and winter, maximum of 5 courses per semester, but you can take 3 or 4 if you'd like. Whereas spring and summer, you can only take 2 courses per semester in those terms. To get started, make sure you have 2 very important documents, your registration tip sheet and your program checklist sheet. You should have received both of these in an email sent to you, your U Alberta email address titled Welcome to the Faculty of Native Studies. If you haven't received these documents, please let us know. The first document on the left is your registration tip sheet. This document complements what we are covering and will help you choose the correct courses for your first year of Native Studies. The second document is your program checklist sheet. It will look like one of the 3 documents on the right-hand side, depending on which Native Studies program you've been admitted to. The first sheet in blue is the General Bachelor of Arts in Native Studies program. The middle sheet is the Bachelor of Arts in Native Studies with a combined degree in the Bachelor of Education. The third sheet is the Bachelor of Arts in Native Studies with a combined degree in Environmental and Conservation Sciences. Whichever program you are taking, this check sheet will be your guiding document to make sure that you are taking the correct courses. This sheet is also what your faculty advisors will use to record your progress. If you are in the General Bachelor of Arts in Native Studies, your degree will consist of 120 credits. Every single term course that you take is worth 3 credits, so every blank space in your program checklist sheet represents 1 3-credit course. Now, this is just a visual representation of what your 4-year plan will look like. So, in order to graduate with a Bachelor of Arts in Native Studies, you need to complete 120 credits. And typically, each year you will complete 30 credits. So, in this diagram, it will show from year 1 till year 4 and what that's going to look like. Before I show you how to build your first year timetable and bear tracks, we are briefly going to talk about planning your degree. Let's go over some common terms used for registration. 1-term course, again, runs the length of a single term, and they are usually worth 3 credits, whereas 6 credits can run over 2 terms, so from September through April. An example of this is an NS 152 or Intro Cree. An important note to remember, if you're enrolling in NS 152 or another 6-credit course, you must register in the fall term section and go back in and enroll in the same course for the winter term as well. Junior level courses are intro courses. You can tell which courses are junior level because they start with 100. Senior level courses are anything higher than junior level, so they could start at 200, 300, or 400 level. Many senior level courses will have prerequisites. So to begin your course planning, I recommend going onto our academic calendar, and on the left-hand side, you will click undergraduate programs, and in that, it will prompt you a list of our programs, and in this case, you will choose the Faculty of Native Studies. Once you click that, it will give you your program requirement breakdown, whichever Native Studies program that you are in. Another helpful tool when it comes to course planning is using our course catalog. You can see which courses are currently being offered in that term or next term. By now, you should be familiar with Launchpad. However, for course registration, you will be using Bear Tracks. This is our online portal that gives you access to almost everything. You can search for classes, build your timetable, enroll, add, drop, or swap classes. And in Bear Tracks, you have my schedule tool. So this is available to you to assist you with fall and winter schedule building and registration. Here are just some tips and tricks. So I recommend creating a balanced timetable. Full course load again is 15 credits, so that could be 5 classes per term. Register for NS 190 in your first year, and make sure to check prerequisites for all classes that you enroll in. If you're still needing help after today, please use our self-guided modules or our registration links on our website right there at uib.ca/reg101. Hi, and we will see you in September. And we are so excited that you will be joining our community this fall.